today's garden adventure, and I am going to see if I can clean out a couple of more of these buckets because it has finally stopped raining, but it's supposed to rain some more today. So I'm going to try to clean out at least one, get rid of that one, work on this one, and see if I can do something with those too. I'm going to try to do as much as I can because we got pounded over here big time, because look at this. And I want to see if I can harvest those parsnips because I want to roast them with my patty pan and also my butternut squash and see what that tastes like. So that's my mission today. So I'm going to start with this one. Seems like it has a lot of spider webs, so I'm sure I'm going to encounter a whole bunch of spider webs, child. I've got a bell pepper on this one, so I'm going to take that one off. But I'm going to harvest this a little bit with you guys, and then I'm going to just clean, because I'm not going to tape all of this because, child, I got a little bit of time, and I have a lot to do. So I will try to videotape a little bit as I go because it is muggy out here. Mosquitoes are out here. So without further ado, let's see how much of this I can get harvested. All right, I got my basket over here. I've already harvested some okra. So we're going to see. I'm going to put my basket down here, and we're going to see what we can get here. I know the spiders are going to be mad because this one seemed to have taken over this plant with all these spider webs and stuff. So and then I'm going to clip these out, and I'm going to get rid of these plants too, because these are my bell peppers and pepper plants. So they, like I said before, they've given me a whole bunch of peppers. So now it's time to clean them out so I can get my cabbage in. All right, let's start this harvesting. I only see 2 things I can harvest, so let's harvest those 2. Let me see here. Let's go for this bell pepper down here. It's a nice bell pepper. Looks good right here. So I'm going to take them whether they're big or small. They're coming in with me. So we're going to drop that in the basket, and then I'm going to finish harvesting, and then I'll come back to you guys, okay? All right, let me get busy. All right, so this is what I was able to get for my harvest today. Let me move my snippers out the way. I was able to get a whole bunch of bell peppers, a couple of tomatoes. I was able to get bell peppers, but this is my harvest of the day. Woo! So let me show you where all this came from. I started here, and I worked my all the way down. So the only ones I have left to do is this cayenne slim pepper, another one right here. I finished cleaning that one. I was working on that one, but it started to rain. So I want to go over here, and I want to harvest a couple of parsnips because I want to do that roasted parsnips and patty pan and butternut squash. So let's go over there and harvest us a parsnip. Guys, we're going to harvest one of these parsnips and see how they do. Never harvested a parsnip, but I heard that you're supposed to push down and then pull. So let me see. Let's try this big one back here. I have 2 of them back here. Can you guys see me? Let's see. Okay. I'm going to do this one. What is that? Hold up. I see something in there. Alright, gotta hurry up and do this quick because it's starting to rain. So hopefully I can get it so you guys be able to see. Alright, let's see. Let's pull this parsnip. Down and pull. Ugh. Down and pull. see, we got this. So let's see if I take all this off of here. Let's take all this off of here and see. Not too bad. A lot of hair on it. Don't know if parsnips are supposed to have a lot of this hair on there, but we gonna see. Got a long tap root, so that's my first parsnip. So I'm gonna cut the top off, and the animals can eat that. Cut this part off. Put this back in the bed so it can compost back into place. And that's our parsnip. Woohoo! Not bad. Alright guys, I'm going to clean it up and I'll show you the big harvest when we get inside. Guys, so this is my harvest. I was able to get my parsnip, the bell peppers, jalapeno peppers, cayenne slim longs. I got a few green beans. I have some okra. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to get these cayenne slim longs into my dehydrator. I am going to soak these peppers overnight. I am going to take this parsnip and I am going to clean it up. Then I'm going to take my carrot peeler and I'm going to peel all this fuzzy stuff off. And then I am going to roast this parsnip with my patty pan and my butternut squash. So look for that video. It's coming up soon. I'm so excited. My first parsnip. Woohoo! Way to go, parsnip. I have 4 more out there. I hope they get a little bit bigger, because I think the reason why this parsnip didn't get as big and thick as the ones that I see you guys grow is because my gardening bed that I have it in, it's not deep enough, and parsnips need to go deep because they have that tap root, and it goes really, really deep, and then it expands out. So if you can't get it to grow deep, you're not going to get a big, fat, healthy parsnip. So this is what I got. I'm thankful for it. So let me go ahead and get that all chopped up, cleaned up, and get it in the oven, because I'm going to have that with a breadcrumb crusted pork chop, one of those thin pork chops, have my vegetables, and maybe have a salad on the side. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. It was raining out there, so I was lucky to get this and clean out a few more of those black buckets over there in the black and white garden. Whew, your girl is getting it. You just have to do it a little bit at a time. Alright guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And Miss Renee from Renee's Garden Adventure will see you next time. Have a blessed, blessed, blessed day.